So it's 06:53 on the 17th of September.
53. 10 minutes behind.
Okay.
He's gone into the building.
Okay.
I think he's got birds in that building.
So this is the building there.
Yeah.
Okay. And he's been bringing birds out of this building.
Every
And he's got the clap nets here, which you can just see the top of, so they're raised at the moment. Okay.
Yeah. No worries, stay.
This is... It's packing up. Shit. Okay. It's 09:10. He's come out of the hut. He's now packing up. He's taking the nets down.
This here.
He's picking up cages. He's got a dog there as well. Yeah. Yeah, he's trying to roll up the nets as well. Yes.
Look.
What's that?
The trap to this over that.
Yeah.
So you liked it?
Is that a bird in the cage on top of it?
Dotterel? Is it? "17th of September 2013. That's the name of the pond.
Ladira, Saraflu.
Saraflu. Time
10:24.
Time's 10:24 AM.